welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today I will guide you how to add Instagram highlights without adding to a story. For that you need to open Instagram application first and now tap on profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get on the profile of your account, tap on three-line icon at the upper right corner. Now you need to scroll down and tap on close friends. And here you need to simply search your account, but that must be your own account. And once you select your own account, you need to tap on done. So in the close friend, you need to add yourself. After you have added your account on the close friend, you need to come back to the home page of Instagram. Now you need to tap on your story, which is at the top left of the screen. Now once you tap on add to story button, you will get access to this page where you need to select any photo you would like to choose as a story. After you have selected any photo or video, you need to tap on close friend, which is at the bottom of the screen. Now you have added a story and share it among your close friends only. So your close friend is your another account only. So again tap on your story and here you can see the option of highlight. Tap on highlight, which is at the bottom of the screen, and you can select the highlights name and add a new highlight. Let's tap on add again. Now tap on view on profile to view on your profile. You need to once refresh and here you can see that Instagram highlights has already been added without adding to the story. So this is how you can easily add Instagram highlights without adding to story. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more updates like this. So thanks for watching.